All right, I always like to ask you, where do you think you are?
We're going to go to Brahmy's Lookout. Is that right?
Brummies, yeah?
Brahmy's Lookout. After a little bit of adventure of low fuel and then going into a country town to fill it up. Hi, girls.
Hey, little ones.
Hi, girls.
You don't have much water in your troughs. Bit spooked. You spooked him, Hayley. Oh my God.
Like it's two. Here goes nothing.
You're going to hit the ground.
I'm not going to
Move your feet. Can you? You did balancing?
I'm sitting on the ground. Oh well. It was worth a try.
It was a go.
Oh my God.
Nah, look how thin that part was, as if you're going to hold your fat ass.
Excuse me. Okay, here I go. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah. Hey.
Old warning sign.
Oh, warning sign. Yeah. Thanks for that.
Thank you. I didn't know, otherwise if it wasn't for the warning
If the
sign,
warning wasn't for the warning sign, I'd probably step off this cliff.
off.
There was a little Mount Warning nipple on the top of the hill.
Oh my God, that's amazing. How are you doing that?
Oh!
Oh, what? There it goes. This was in my shoe.
Oh my God, another
But it's
little
the
piece of
smallest
shit.
ones that are the worst ones. Do you remember me saying that in another video?
It seems to be consistent with the videos.
It is though, it's true. It's the little fucking...
The little
shits.
little micro
Little
pebbles.
shits that get you.
Yeah.
Yeah, micro bugs, everything.
Just came across this ghost gum that is just has lost all its bark, and it is absolutely perfect. You wouldn't have to do anything when it comes to preparation of its wood.
Yeah, but can you hear the baby crying in the background?
That's perfect. It's okay. Just want to get closer. There he goes.
Hey.
Jesus Christ.
It's unreal right now.
What do you reckon's happened?
Well, I thought, first I thought maybe it was lightning, but obviously that's ridiculous. But I don't know, maybe the dryness has like split it apart, the roots or something. I don't know. It just seems strange, doesn't it?
Isn't it? Bizarre.
Yeah.
What is that? It's like a tree that's not even planted.
It's a big branch.
It's just dangling there.
Oh, do you want me to shot?
What do you mean?
Well, I was gonna
No.
take my own footage.
Beautiful.
Oh,